Hi, Orchestra 3, violins. We are on page 17 this week. We are doing exercises 1, 2, and 3. For these exercises, we are learning the D sharp. So either a low first finger you're going to play with on the D string, or you'll play with a high third finger on the A string, okay? And that'll be close to your fourth finger where E is. So you'll play a high 3 like that, and then fourth finger is usually right next to it for the D sharp on the A string, okay? So line number 1 goes over playing that D sharp. For line number 1, when you play it, you do not need to do the repeat signs. And then we'll go on to line number 2 and 3, okay? One thing that we should be aware of is D sharp is going to be played like E flat, okay? So D sharp and E flat are the exact same pitches as far as sound, but they're spelled differently, okay? So D sharp and E flat are the exact same note with different names, like homophones, like there, and where, and one, okay? Same thing when you're on the A string for that high third finger D sharp and that fourth finger. So this fourth finger is E and this third finger is D sharp, but could also be E flat. Okay, so now we know E and D sharp or E flat. Okay. Line number 2, I would like you guys to start in measure number 3 and end in measure number 6. So you're playing measure 3, 4, 5, and 6. You don't need to do the first 2 measures or the last 2 measures, just those 4 measures right in the middle, okay? And that'll be for the E harmonic minor scale. Now, the E harmonic minor scale has a Mediterranean sound, or a Middle Eastern, I should say, a Middle Eastern sound, and that is because of the C natural to D sharp, okay? It's a really big step. It's a step and a half, okay? So you need to make sure that you're playing a good D sharp and then you play that fourth finger for the E, okay? You're going to play F sharps and you need to make sure that you play a nice low second finger for that C natural, okay? So line number 2, you guys are starting in measure number 3. Okay, so that'll be the E harmonic minor scale. And then you're gonna go to line number 3 and we are going to put into context playing D sharp in a piece, okay? Watch your dynamic levels. We're andantino, which is slower than andante, which means that you'll be between 65 and let's say 73 as far as the metronome marking goes. So when you get to the last four measures and you're playing more on the E string, make sure that you play a low 2 for that G natural. Okay, you're using fourth finger for B, third finger for A, and a low 2. Okay, you have F sharp still, so you're going to be on the tape. And then you have that high third finger for the D sharp, and then a fourth finger for the E. All right, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to email me or ask during our team meeting.